my God, is that King Hamlet? But he dead! Hamlet! Hamlet! Prince Hamlet! Prince Hamlet!
What is it?
I saw your dead daddy as a ghost. He's haunting around, walking around there mumbling something. I think he want to talk to you.
I gotta go see him.
Yeah, you do.
I'm taking this. Where's my daddy at?
Hamlet,
Ah!
I was waiting on you with a dough.
Give me a second. What do you mean the dog?
I came here to tell
Daddy!
you. I came here to tell you that your stepdaddy uncle poisoned me in my ear to take my place as the king.
Bro, he's dead. That boy is dead to me. I'm killing him.
You better. You better.
Oh, wait, Daddy, give me a hug. Okay, I gotta go kill you.
I miss you, son.
I miss you too.
Ophelia. Ophelia.
Brother, from another mother, I need to ask you a favor.
What you need, boo?
I need you to kill my stepson, Hamlet. He found out about the dirty deed. You're gonna have to poison that sword and you're gonna have to shake him. Put this poison on the top of the sword. Also, we're gonna put some poison in his wine, so don't win.
Okay.
Was poppin' wearing tees?
I challenge you to a duel to the death tomorrow at noon.
Alright.
Okay. I'm just taking off the lid. There we go. Let's go kill him.
Round one, begin. Go Hamlet.
Okay. Ah!
Hamlet. Hamlet, come take a drink of this beer.
I will wait till I am done, till I finish him.
Round commence.
Sammy, come drink! Well, if you're not gonna drink it, I will.
Hamlet, it's not what you think. Hammy!